I was really thrilled, very excited, very pleased.
What do you remember about it?
Well, all I remember is Les Chappell hitting a long through ball, and I ran onto it and hit it, and it went in. Very pleased with it.
What about the second one?
Well, again, Danny Bartley hit a long ball across, and I went up and headed it. That's all I can remember, really.
Reminiscent, I'm told, of Uncle John at his best.
Yes, yes.
And that's praise indeed, isn't it, for you?
It is very great honour.
Is it something which a young boy like yourself has always dreamt about?
Well, every boy, I think, at school dreams of playing for their town or city and scoring a goal. It's a great honour it was, scoring.
Tell me, what about the Swansea City's prospects for the season? How do you rate them?
I think they're a very good chance this season of promotion. A few new signings here, and I think they should do quite well.
What about your future? Where do you see it lying?
Well, at the moment, my heart is at Swansea, and I'll see how it goes from after that then.
What do you think is your main ambition now, looking forward?
Well, to play for my country. I'd love to play for my country.
I'm sure there'll be no trouble about that going on as you are going on. We wish you very good luck indeed. Well, I'm now with Mel Charles, the proud father and former Welsh international utility man, I think, played in almost every position on the field. It has been said, I don't know how you feel about this, it has been said that he could be better than either you or John. I wonder.
Well, you know, perhaps he'll be better than me, but, you know, to be better than John is saying a thing, because at the time John was playing, I think he was one of the greatest footballers in the world.
Yeah.
But I say, coming back to the age limit now, where Jeremy is 16, and me and John was just a little bit older, I think Jeremy has got a heck of a lot more ability than either of us like.
Well, Harry Griffiths is the Swansea City football manager. Harry, how do you feel about this great success of Jeremy?
Well, it's not unexpected to me. The boy is, since he's signed apprentice some 3-4 weeks ago, he's settled into everything that is anything in football, you know. He's worked hard in training, he's shown up exceptionally well in the pre-season friendlies, and it's just like water off a duck's back to him. Of course, he's from a good stable and he should know what it's all about.